HBO. Wow, this channel rocks. This channel shows movies. The movies that are on HBO right now are Alvin and the Chipmunks, The Road Chip, Home Alone, Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius, Kung Fu Panda, Madagascar Escape to Africa, and more. If you have a DVR, you can record movies and there are no commercial breaks. Most of the movies are usually on HBO for a year or two. Then some movies get removed from HBO. Then new ones premiere on HBO. The movies come and go. Do you know who likes this channel? Steve from Minecraft. He records movies that he likes on his DVR. Do you know who hates this channel? All characters from the Nutshack. They think that every channel has to have commercial breaks. HBO rocks. And so does Netflix. May 13th, 2016 sucks. Note, if you like this day, I respect your opinion. End of salute. Next salute, Mr. A Crazy. After the Mr. A Crazy salute, Triple B 780. After the Triple B 780 salute, the Lego Movie. After the Lego Movie salute, Angry Birds. After the Angry Birds salute, Battle for Dream Island.